Hi, I am Florence Mayfair, and welcome to Mayfair Astrology, where we decode the universe and reveal its cosmic secrets. This is your Scorpio horoscope for May 2025, a month of relationship shifts, career ambition, and long-term vision as the stars align to bring clarity in partnerships and bold moves in your professional life. Before we begin, I have something special for you. Download my free guide, 12 Rituals to Harness the Power of the Moon, plus the 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner to help you align with the cosmic rhythms. The link is in the description below. Let's explore the wisdom of the stars together. Your astrological journey begins now. Let's dive in. May is a major turning point in relationships, career moves, and financial strategies. The new moon in Taurus, May 19, activates your 7th house of partnerships, pushing you to redefine commitments and collaborations. With Mars entering Leo on May 16, your focus shifts toward ambition, leadership, and professional recognition. Jupiter enters Gemini on May 25th, kicking off a 12-month period of financial expansion, personal transformation, and deep psychological growth. New moon in Taurus, May 19. A relationship reset moment. This is a great time to evaluate partnerships, make new commitments, or clarify business agreements. Mars in Cancer until May 16, Leo after May 16. Before May 16, Mars in Cancer energizes your learning, travel, and higher education pursuits, encouraging you to expand knowledge and explore new opportunities. After May 16th, Mars in Leo pushes career ambitions forward, making it an ideal time for leadership roles and bold moves in your profession. Jupiter enters Gemini, May 25. Jupiter moves into your 8th house of transformation, shared finances, and deep healing, beginning a powerful cycle of financial growth, investments, and emotional rebirth. Career and finances. May brings career ambition and financial transformations. The new moon in Taurus on May 19th encourages partnership discussions and joint business ventures. With Mars entering Leo after May 16th, you'll feel more driven to step into leadership roles and make bold career moves. Jupiter in Gemini from May 25th expands your financial potential, helping with investments, business growth, and long-term security planning. Best dates for career and financial success. May 19th, new moon in Taurus, redefine business and personal partnerships. May 25th, Jupiter enters Gemini, expanding financial growth and long-term security. Relationships. With Venus in Gemini until May 24th, relationships take on an intellectual and curious tone, encouraging deep conversations about trust, finances, and commitments. When Venus enters Cancer on May 24th, love becomes more emotionally intense and fulfilling, bringing deep connections and meaningful bonds. If single, this is a great time to meet someone who shares your long-term values and ambitions. Best days for love. May 11 to 13, Venus trine Pluto, transformative relationship moments and deep emotional healing. May 24th, Venus enters Cancer, love shifts toward emotional intimacy and security. Health and well-being. With Mars in Leo after May 16th, your physical energy will increase, but you may also feel work-related stress building up. Focus on balancing ambition with rest and self-care. Use the new moon in Taurus on May 19th to refresh relationship boundaries, mental health practices, and financial security. Best days for success. May 16th, Mars enters Leo, career and professional ambition increase. May 19th, new moon in Taurus, partnership and collaboration reset. May 25th, Jupiter enters Gemini, financial and personal transformation begins. What to avoid? May 20th, Mars square Jupiter, avoid risky financial decisions or overconfidence in partnerships. May 24-27, Saturn retrograde begins, time to reassess emotional and financial responsibilities. May 2025 is a transformative month for Scorpio, bringing new career opportunities, relationship shifts, and financial growth. With Jupiter expanding your shared resources, this is a time for bold but strategic decisions in love, business, and personal investments. Want to dive deeper? Download the 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner for free using the link in the description to align your actions with the cosmic cycles. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep looking to the stars.